Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Long from iLab. So today we have got some tools need to be unboxing and review. So this tool is from the Union Repair. Okay, thanks Union Repair for sending me the tools to make a video review on the solder and the tweezer. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, this is the things that we have received from Union Repair. Okay, this is the folder, I think. Okay, the T12 11. So let's get into the box and see what's inside the box. Okay, I'm going to switch to the S. Okay, so I'm going to need to have the knife first. Okay, I'm going to rip off the shield. Okay, and then we are going to open the box. Okay, as you can see in the box, we have another box in the box. Okay, I'm so very excited. Open the box itself. Here we have the sponge. Okay, and then we have the manual. We have the cartridge. Okay, we have the power cable, and then we have the handle, and then we have the stand. Okay, the soldering stand. Okay, and then finally the module itself. Okay, this is the module. Okay, let me get rid the box first. Okay, so we can do the proper review on the solder itself. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm going to assemble the product first and then the user manual, looking at the user manual on how to assemble the solder itself. Okay, so we have the plugs. Okay, the plugs cable, the power cord. Okay, for the power cord, I think I'm going to use my power cord. Okay, because I have already have the power cord. So this is my cord. Okay, so let's put it aside first. Okay, wow. So this is the solder itself. Okay, I think I'm going to switch the camera first. Okay, because we need to see the clear view of the product itself. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, and yes, okay, so this is the product itself. The T12, the TOOR. Okay, TOOR, T12-11 soldering station. Okay, from Union Repair. So I'm going to plug it in to my power cord. Let's turn off the switch first. Okay, okay. No, the power cord should be the last. Okay, you need to assemble the handle and also the stand first. Okay, I'm going to untie the cable and then the assembling. No. One is for, it should be connected to the stand. So this is the power cord. Oh no, no, no. It's the cable that should be connected to the module. So connected. Put it a screw, right? And then after that, so as you can see, the solder stand. This is a very nice design of the solder stand, which you can put the cartridge on the cartridge rest, okay. And then this one is for when you put the handle. Okay, I'm going to switch the camera so that you can see the clear view. Okay, so I put it wrong way. So after that, we're going to connect the solder iron itself to the back of the stand. Okay, snap. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to connect the power cable. So this is the power cable. Okay, after connecting the power cable, should be connecting with the cartridge itself. Okay, we need to. So there are three different cartridge. As you can see, this is the L shape, and then this one is very sharp knife shape, and then this one we have the normal holder. Camera is not focusing. Camera. So this one is the normal one. Come on, camera. Focus. Focus for me, camera, please. Never mind. We can see under the microscope. Okay. So the solder, the cartridge itself. Okay. You can see this is the normal cartridge labeled with TOOR T12 10.3. Okay. The other one we have the knife shape. Okay. T12K 2.5, and the other one we have the pen head. Okay, so this is the T12H 0.3. Okay, so I'm going to put the cartridge on the handle first. Okay, I'm going to connect the cartridge first. Okay, before we begin with the performance and everything. So I'm going to choose one of the cartridge first. Okay, so just connect the cartridge. Okay, and then we use the mm, nice. Okay, I'm going to set up my camera first before going to power on the machine itself. So this is the stand. Okay, I'm going to put the stand side first. Okay, so that we can turn on the module and see what inside the module that you can access from here. So we need to turn on the power cord first. Okay, yeah, I'm turning the power cord on, and then we're going to turn on the switch at the back of the solder station. Okay, as you can see here, we have the counter station working, status is working, actual temperature now is 304. Okay, set the temperature 300. Okay, let me go into the setting first. We are going to set the temperature to 350 and then click OK. I think the actual time right now is 355. Okay, so what do else what else you can set? Nothing more. Okay, just straightforward, and then you just need to press the set and then adjust the appropriate temperature that you want to use and then press OK. So does the module have the function to sleep? Okay, I'm going to test with the folder first. Okay, let me see. Okay, I am expecting that the solder will go into standby mode. Okay, so let's wait for the solder to be in standby mode, or does something else I do not connect to the solder to the station. Let me go through to the manual book first. Okay. Okay, we are back again. Sorry. Actually, I have the problem with the cartridge. This cartridge I think is damaged because it cannot goes into the standby mode when the solder should be in standby mode when you put the handle on the solder rest. Okay, so this cartridge might be the problem. Okay, I'm going to clean the cartridge first. Okay, let's see either the cleaning the cartridge should be working fine. Okay, so I'm using the straight cartridge in here. As you can see, the device itself goes to the standby mode. Okay, when I pull this handle from the rest, okay, the status goes to working and it is hitting the solder. Okay, solder first. Okay, actual time is 355. Okay, when I put to the stand, solder stand, okay, it goes straight away. Status goes to sleep, and then the solder is decreasing the temperature. So I'm going to switch off first the solder station, and then we're going to place with a clean solder in the solder tip first. Okay, I'm going to put this solder. Okay, so we are going to and then put it to the solder stand and power it on. As you can see, the cartridge is not working. It should go to standby mode when you put the handle to the what is this called, to the stand. Okay, it should go to standby mode, whereas now it shouldn't. It doesn't. Okay, it shouldn't. It doesn't. Pardon my bad. It doesn't go to standby mode. So I'm going to switch the solder. Okay, that is top. Okay, because I'm pulling out the um cartridge, no tool. So I'm going to put the other one. It says no tool. Turn it off first. Okay, turn it back on. Okay, it's working. So you cannot change the tips while it is on. It is powered on. Okay, so you need to change the tip while the module itself is in off state. Okay, and then we're going to turn it off. Okay, I'm going to try test the other folder. Okay, the other cartridge, and the cartridge. Okay, put it on the stand and power it on. It's working, and it goes to sleep. And when I pull the handle, the state goes to working. Then put it to the handle, sleep. Wow. Also, I need to adjust the handle so it can detect the handle on the solder rest. Okay, what is this called? Ayo. Okay, need to power it off first. Okay, and then this is my first time operating this solder. Okay, I'm going to fine, and right there, and I'm going to test again. Yeah, the cartridge working. Yeah, it should be in sleep. So you need to adjust the handle. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see now. Actually, the cartridge is the three cartridge is usable, but you need to adjust the handle so that the handle the machine will automatically detect it is in a standby mode. Okay, it is on the solder rest. What is this? Okay, let me see on the manual first. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, number 3. So it says it is handpiece based. So solder stand. Okay, solder stand. Okay, let me write first the solder stand so I don't make a mistake anymore. Solder stand. Okay, solder stand. So the cartridge, all the cartridge is working fine. Then when you pull the handle from the solder stand, okay, see the heat working well, 350. So I'm going to put the solder first. Okay, then put it on the solder stand, twist a bit so that it can detect the solder, can detect the handle can be detected by the solder stand. It is placed on the solder. It is placed on the solder stand. Okay, sorry, my bad. So that's all I think. Okay. We're going to test for the performance itself. Okay, I'm going to grab motherboard first. Okay, so we can test the performance of the solder. Okay, I'm going to switch to the microscope view. Okay, so this is the microscope view, and we are going to test on the film reader. Okay, the good a good solder, a good solder can, you know, can deliver a good heat. Okay, I'm going to put solder on the SIM port. Let's see. Wow, this is this is amazing. This is a wow, great. As you can see, the SIM port is what a great heat deliverance. Okay, so let's try to pull the chip with the solder. Okay, as you can see, we can pull the chip using the solder. Okay, so I'm going to put some flux first. Okay, flux, and then let's see either we can pull the chip off using solder. We need a tweezer that we can pull the chip. Oh, only 350. The solder can be the chip can be pulled off. So this is a quite a good solder, and mostly when handling the TriStar on the iPhone 5 model. Okay, I use the solder to pull the TriStar off the board. Okay, so this is somewhat a good solder for me. Okay, thank you Union Repair for sending me the solder to give a review on the solder. Only 350, whereas the older solder that I use, okay, this is the solder that I use. I am using 450 to pull the chip. Okay, the T12. Okay, and this is the T12-11 solder, and it is a very good solder. So I think that's all for the review. Okay, as you can see, the solder can be used. Okay, quite good. Okay, actually the solder is very good. For the performance, for the price, I think is quite suitable and not too expensive. Only costs around 138 something. Okay, you can browse the Union Repair website for the solder. Okay, and today's video is brought to you by Union Repair. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel so that I can give lots of video review. Okay, thanks all.